In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Basecamp. Setting up Basecamp effectively can transform how your team collaborates, so let's dive right in and make the most of this powerful tool. Begin by navigating to your home page. Here, you'll notice a New Project button, which stands out with its green plus icon nestled under the Projects section. Clicking this will kickstart the process of setting up your project space. It's important to give your new project a clear and descriptive name. Let the name reflect either the client or the nature of the project itself, which will not only help your team keep organized, but also streamline communication by making it abundantly clear what the project's focus is. Once your project is created, the next crucial step is to bring your team on board. Use the Invite People button to do this. It's here that you can add everyone who will be collaborating on this project. Make sure you invite all essential contributors right from the outset so everyone can access information and contribute to discussions as needed. This shared access is vital for keeping everyone informed and aligned with the project's goals. Now that you have your team assembled, it's time to map out your project's timeline. Basecamp makes this straightforward with its Schedule tool, where you can add milestones and events. This feature is especially helpful for tracking key deliverables and important dates. Ensuring everyone is aware of these milestones helps in managing expectations and keeping the project on track. A robust project timeline is augmentative to your efforts, but day-to-day tasks need their space too, and that's where to-do lists come in. Within your project, create a series of to-do lists and assign tasks to your team members, setting clear due dates for each task as necessary. By doing so, you'll help keep productivity flowing smoothly and allow your team to break down larger projects into manageable chunks. Next, Basecamp offers additional tools that enhance project collaboration. Start using the message board for formal announcements and updates. This board acts as a centralized location for all significant communications, ensuring they're not buried and lost in other conversations. Similarly, Campfire serves as your project's chat room, providing a space for more informal discussions and real-time interactions. Docs and Files is another feature you'll want to leverage, where you can store and manage all your project's documents, providing easy access and a secure way to handle necessary attachments. To wrap things up, setting up Basecamp with these tools can revolutionize how you manage projects and collaborate. By following these steps, you'll cultivate an environment where your team is consistently on the same page, deadlines are met, and communication is clear. Thanks for tuning in, and happy project managing.